All right, 1031, I don't know if it's Mother Nature, man, or your conditions, but you're dropping the hammer in the Rockies. 1031, 808, cruising my Mobile.
740, heading out there around Carson City. I believe you said 4 or something like that, but 808, it's all conditions there, Roger.
I'll check on that. I can't hear your neighbor. I'll stand by. I'll see you at 1031. Yeah, your DBs are coming up. Your conditions are smoking in the Rockies. I'm out.
615 up here in Keystone, jumping in the driver's seat, taking the wheel. We're slamming the hammer. We're putting the hammer down up here. Putting the hammer down.
Yeah, I heard you, 615, man. You want to jump in? I'll see you at 615. I'll jump out, man. Let some people get some airtime. We're just listening in. 615-808, Colorado. I'm out.
740, you have a good night there around Fort Carson, Rascal. Take care. 1031 out here in the Carolinas, tell you that.
Hey, 1031, I'll definitely take a standby for one of my Fort Carson brothers there. I was there 14 years ago. 1031-808, 106.
Yeah, he's finished there, Roger. Don't get back.
Yeah, I was there about 14 years ago, too. All right, wish him well and swell. 1031-808, I'm gone.
All right, 808, you take care out that way, my friend. It sure was good hearing you back in there.
Check. All right, we're 10-6.
808, can you say 64? 808, can you say 64, Mike?
All right, 64, we got the snow coming down. Hey, 64-808, waving at you.
1040, that's 740. 740, you coming into Carolina there loud and proud. 740, 2014 wave. Hope everything's well as swell around your stack of bricks.
It's just coming.
740, with no charge. Take care, my friend. 740, the doctor in the Carolinas. We just made that house call. No, 141, 48 is out.
All right, the doctor in the Carolinas, I just want to wave real quick. And 48, you guys are smoking. The doctor in the Carolinas, 48-808, Rocky Mountain, Mobile with the wave. I'm out.
And now you ease right on back down and say hello, no doubt about that. You say you got rough and tough. Mr. 48 downtown, enjoy this out.
Hey, 48, man, it's all you in the Rockies. I'll see you at 48-808 in my Mobile.
1040, 740. And then my friend 808.
All right, doctor in the Carolinas. I don't want to interrupt, man, but you were smoking that loud up here in the snowstorm. Doctor in the Carolinas, 808, working my 8-pill Mobile in the snowstorm. I'm back out.
Hey, no contact on 1040, 808. Well, you definitely doing your thing.
Oh, it's coming down.
You know, doctor don't leave in a clean bill of health, 808. That's with no charge. 808. 808. In the Mobile, the doctor in the Carolinas. We just made that house call.
In fine style, too, man. Oh, man, you smoking up here. I'll see you, doctor in the Carolinas. We're going to sit back and see what's going on. You're just so loud and proud up here in the snow. Hey, doctor in the Carolinas, 808. I'm 106.
1040, 808. You said it. We got it, and the doctor's back quiet. Hey, 141, you take care out there, man. We'll put it on you when we can, Mr. 48. Still paying attention. I'm back out and go.
All right, 48, I don't want to plug anybody's ears. I wave at you, 48-808, 106.
Want to talk to me now? You take care on that end.
Bye-bye. Hey, you're next in line, man, in DBs. I'll see you at 48. I'm out.
808. 808, Nature Boy. 808, Nature Boy. All that noise you're making, I should be in your radio. 808, Nature Boy in Georgia. Got down.
Yeah, you knew it, too. Hey, Nature Boy, and you knew it, too. I'll see you, Nature Boy. I'm out. All right, Nature Boy, 48 waved at you too. I'll see you, Nature Boy, 48 with the 5. How about?
Yeah, tell 48 I said Happy New Year. Tell my friend 48 Nature Boy said Happy New Year. Nature Boy go.
All right, the 48 Nature Boys waving a Happy New Year wave with the 5. I'm about.
And that Roy, I appreciate it. We gonna get up out of here too, Mr. 48. He's pulling back in Georgia. I see you. Rocky Mountains, gatekeeper in Washington. Who's that loud mouth running snow capital? I'd be 000's Volkswagen Mobile. I'll plug your ears up there running snow.
All right, 000. I better roger you then, man, and go 10-7. I'll see you at 000-808, your neighbor in the Rockies.
Nature Boy. Nature Boy, Georgia, reading the mail. You've been here every day. You've been here every day plugging in 808 000 and a Volkswagen.
Yeah, only on the weekends. I'll see you at 000 or 10-6.
Yeah, you've been here every day. I've been listening to you. I don't key down. I'm a listening mobile. But see, when I'm taking off, everybody got in Arizona. Everybody got in Arizona. Everybody got in Arizona, Nature Boy. Everybody got in Arizona, Nature Boy, Georgia, not 000, 000. Volkswagen Mobile got a Long Beach car on Atlantic Ocean, Ocean. 141, no pay, no strings. Who's that back? 141, Nature Boy, Suburban Cherry.
Bye, 000. We got a 10-6, man. Other big breakers out there. I'll see you at 000. Always a pleasure. I'll wave when I can. 000-808. We're gonna go back to the listening mode up here in the Rockies. I'm out.
Hey, bodyguard, I want to get on Big Show in Georgia again. I'm looking super diesel wagon. Hey, I'm out of bodyguard, on Big Show in Georgia looking great.
Hey, Big Show, you showing up in the Rockies? I try to talk to the radio. Hey, Big Show, 808 Rocky Mountain, Mobile. Come here. All right, Big Show, you looking good, 808. We got the snow coming down in the Rockies. Cruising my Mobile 7,000 feet.
And that Mobile working in Georgia, 808. I guarantee most told you, you take care around the snow cap, 808. Old Big Show in Georgia, so I'll see you.
Bye. 9 dBs, I'm out.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right, man. Snow's coming down.